Guys, we are done. Oh, look at the palm kernel fruits, the ones that fell down. Oh, like it's so much. I was mistaking this palm fruit head to be 4, but it's actually 6. So right now I want to start putting it inside our wheelbarrow so that we can be going home. It's over 6. And since like we'll go and come back. Guys, we are back home. So look at all the palm kernel. I want to go and freshen up and relax a bit. It's a lot of work.
Tomorrow.
We have started cutting our banga already. It's so very much early. This is the next day after we must have gotten the banga. So after cutting it like this, we're going to select it. That's the next step. Oh, yeah, it's cold. And guys, I forgot to tell you people something. It's a good news, shao. Don't worry, I'll tell you soon. Tikoyon, arrange it together. Guys, Kosi is doing clean up today. We are doing cleaning. And there is light. Look at light. There's light, guys. Guys, nature is sweeping the compound. Okay, guys, so we are just doing more of cleaning and all the stuff. Let's go and see if Mama. I said, may you pause them. Say it again so that I will hear you.
I want to do my work in peace.
So before you are doing it in pieces. Eh?
You're disturbing me and my music.
How am I disturbing you and your music? See me, see
my God.
Guys, I just told her to off the music so that I can capture some moments. Her mopping the house. See you. In a 3 buckets they use there. I know they see well. In a 3 buckets, oh guys. That this girl is using to mop this one space room. Eh?
Yes.
That means if they give you the whole this thing to mop, you go kukuma use buy bucket, chata like you go bucket market.
Bye.
Right here. Why they maroon clean up? Now they tell her make you no break ceiling. Eh? What do they do with that broom? The long one. What are you removing? Cobwebs. Yes. Guys, look at. Let me just finish cooking abacha. So this is not going to be ready now. We'll have to put it inside the water first.
Oh, you're gonna add the red.
Okay. You know I told the people that I have good news. Remember? Yes, I'm still saying that I have good news for you guys. Let me show you my good news. My good news. It's something that is making me happy. It's something that is making me joyous. Look at. I told you now. Let me show you people. Ta-da! Ta-da! Guys, our goats just gave birth. Another one. This one gave birth yesterday. Guys, look at, we have twins. And she gave birth to twins. Look at the other one. You don't want to stand up. Stand up. Let's see how you are. Yeah. She stand. And the both of them, they are so agile. Look at the first one that they gave birth the other time. And see how grown he is already. Hey, go and sleep back. Sorry for waking you people up. Go and sleep. So guys, we're actually done with this. So this one was not able to remove. Maybe the next tomorrow we are gonna remove it. It's actually strong. See the ones, the chaff. Right now, let me go and check out if Mama she's about to cook. Let's know what she's cooking. Oh, what is this? What are you cooking, madam? She's cooking beans, guys.
Cooking spaghetti and beans.
You're cooking what?
Spaghetti and beans.
Yee! I love it. Go fast. I'm even equally hungry.
You love it, Abi. You love my food. Which one?
Ah, no make mouth, oh. Guys, this guy is trying to make mouth. I'm seeing where you're heading to. So guys, we're already grinding our crayfish and
Onions.
cooking have actually commenced, and we have our tomatoes right there. We have already picked our beans, and since we have NEPA lights, so we are cooking it on the electric cooker. So stay glued and join this cooking because this is gonna be fun because Nete is here. At Nete's is here. She's not looking at us. You're not looking at us.
I
What
am
is
here
it?
now. See me now.
I was saying that this cooking is gonna be fun because you are here.
Hey. What is this? Because she's here.
Yes, right now Ifeoma is already transferring our beans to the charcoal pot because it's like this thing is not okay. It's boiling now.
Yeah, I need
But I think the charcoal will be more faster, right?
Yeah.
So let's come off
How's the beans?
because I'm so famished. Our chef Ify is in charge. Night's view, we are missing you.
Make una no miss me. I dey here. I want chop one when they don't cook. Who they miss you? Who they miss you?
Hey, God. Performance kitchen. Hey, Gini, your nail is fine. Thank you. Hey, God. Guys, we are having our onions, crayfish, and pepper. I'm already perceiving this. Like when it comes to spaghetti, Ifeoma have it 100/100. Real fat. It's nice, right? Okay. Come and join. Hot spaghetti. Hot. I'm salivating, oh. I'm salivating already. Yummy, yummy. So this is the little way I spend my we spend our typical life over here in the village during this farming season, because you know say this is farming season. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe and let's keep in touch. Bye bye.